Hi guys, today we will talk about how to change your username on your Pinterest app. We will go to figure out the solution on how we can do that on your Pinterest app. All you have to do, you just go down here on saved, you will click, then it's going to take you to your profile here or this window. Then you just go up, you click here on app, then it's going to show for you this window. Then you just click here on settings, then you come to settings window here in this window, then you just click here on public profile, then you come to next window or public profile here in this window, then you just come here to username, you click here, and here you can change your username here on your Pinterest, like any, you can add anything you want to add. So if you add it and you click here on done, and it's going to save with you. So I can't save because I have this name before. So now I will try, I will click here on done, and like you see now it's saved. My profile is saved now, user my username. So that's all. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe, and see you in next video.